So over here you can see that the entire interface right now is in English language. If I were to go around over here into my cloud as well, you can see that everything right here is in English language. If I want to go ahead and change around that language, then all you need to do is go around over here onto the top right, and here you can see the language option. So you can go ahead and choose, let's say for example, Thai right here, and then you can see that everything changes out to Thai. So not every word right here, the file name still stays as it is, as you can see, but the options that you have right here is in Thai language now. So let's just go to Tera AI, let's say for example, then you simply have the Thai language. So let me just go around over here as well. So you can see that it actually refers back. So let's just get out of full screen, and over here, let me just go around onto the globe again and choose something else. Like let's just go around over here and choose Spaniel right here, just like this. Then it simply changes out. Similarly, you can go around and choose Vietnam, let's say for example, then you get that language. You want to change it back into English, then simply click on English, and that's it. So that is how you can go ahead and change the language settings easily inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe